Akıncı drones took off from northwestern Tekirdağ district on May 21, traveled through Turkey and Georgia, before they landed at Heydar Aliyev International Airport in Baku. The drones covered a distance of around 2,000 kilometers, completing a 5-hour flight traveling through 3 countries, a first in Turkish aviation history. This is yet another milestone, after the one achieved last month, when the Akinci drone, for the first time, successfully hit a maritime target using a laser-guided Mk-82 bomb from an altitude of 20,000 feet, as part of the test ahead of its induction into the Turkish Navy. The Akıncı drone is capable of performing both air-to-ground and air-to-air attack missions. The Akıncı drone also can fire other weapons, including the Cirit missile, mini-smart munition Bozok, long-range anti-tank missile system, and guided bombs, JDAM. The drone can also be armed with Gokdogan and Bozdogan air-to-air missiles, wing-assisted and SOM-A standoff missiles. In addition, the Akinci can also be used as a mothership for drone swarming attacks.